going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video, and I'm going to show you all how to make a Seamoss smoothie. Okay, now the fruits and the veggies and everything that I put in there, definitely switch that up to your liking. Whatever fruits, whatever vegetables you feel like making. I often sometimes just make fruit smoothies, but of course that can be a lot of sugar. So I put the spinach or the kale in there just to balance things out. You know, again, make whatever smoothie you'd like. You're just adding the Seamoss to it. But Seamoss gel is very, 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 very good for you. It has a host of benefits. Check out my other video that I spoke about not too long ago. I'll be giving you that 1 week update soon. Seamoss is really good for detoxing, getting rid of all kind of impurities and whatnot in your body. It is good for your health overall. It's good for hair, it's good for skin, you know, it's good for nails, it's good for so many things. You can make it into a mask, which I'll also be doing a video on. Okay, so these are just things that I just want to share with you, and it's going to be a quick video on how I make this smoothie. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so I have everything here. My blender, the Seamoss. Remember I told you that I put some into a bowl as well as into the jar that I showed you. I'm just gonna take some of what's in this bowl. Focus, focus. It's a thick paste. There we go. I'm just gonna take some of what's in this bowl and put it into the blender, okay? And I'm just gonna put this much. I was doing 2 tablespoons, but you don't need to put 2 tablespoons into your smoothie. This is enough for the day. This is enough Seamoss for the day, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Boom. Close this right back on up so I can use it for another time. I'm going to put my frozen spinach in there. It's literally just a little bit left, so I'm just going to use what's left. Okay. I am going to then put my protein powder. I'm gonna do 2 scoops because I'm trying to get that extra protein in today, and that is a suggested serving. However, just so you know, 1 is honestly fine. And with this, you don't even really have to. I'm using the ORGAIN powder, which I've also talked about. Check that video out. You can definitely just use a scoop and it's fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and do 2. 1 scoop makes it sweet enough, to be honest with you. You don't even have to add like a whole bunch of milk or anything like that. So I've added my protein powder. I'm then going to add, and I got this from Costco, I'm doing pineapple. Pineapple is also very, very good for you. Anti-inflammatory. Put a little bit more up in there. Actually, we'll put a little bit more up in there. Okay. And we are going to add some blueberries, also from Costco, organic blueberries. Thought I had broken this up. Sorry. Let me just grab a sponge. My hands are clean. That should be enough. Handful of blueberries. A little bit of water. Okay. Actually, let me add a little bit more. And some honey. Okay. Everything was frozen. The fact that everything I put in here was frozen will also definitely, you know, help everything. But if you can, put chilled almond milk or whatever milk you'd like to put into your smoothie. Oh, sorry, this is rice milk. I ran out of my almond milk. This right here is rice stream, and somebody actually gave this to me. Look at God, as well as a few more. Listen. Thank you, Nabishwa. So I'm gonna see, I think this is enough rice milk, rice drink. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more Seamoss. Bump it. I'm gonna add a little bit more Seamoss. Like this much. Again, a little bit of Seamoss goes a long way. Okay? Those are all my ingredients. I have blueberry all over my hand. Please disregard, y'all. Don't, you know, be as ghetto as I am. I don't care. I'm making this for myself. I'm here. It's all good. Okay, so the lid is on. And let go. To pour it into my little mug here. Oh, there's a pineapple chunk. That's okay though. Yes, perfect consistency. It tastes great. You can't even taste the Irish sea moss. You just taste fruits and protein powder. The protein powder, I just want you to know, I like it because I don't think it's overwhelming. This is good stuff, people. This is good stuff. The protein powder I like because I don't think it's too overwhelming. This is good stuff, people. Now, a lot of people will have just a smoothie for breakfast or lunch or whatever. This is literally my drink with my meals, just so you know. If you'd like me to do another what I eat in a day video, I will most definitely do that, okay? And if you want, I'll have the smoothie or whatever with it. But that's it. That's how you make the Seamoss smoothie. I really hope that you all enjoy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, but also hit the bell for notifications, or else you might not see when I post. And for those of you who are new here, I just went straight into the video today, but you can also find weight gain hacks, talks about maca root, talks about other natural superfoods are coming, and just skincare hacks, how to glow up, things of that nature, things that I've tried, things that have worked, things that haven't worked. That's what you can find here. So if you feel so inclined, please do subscribe. Like I said, please comment and share. If you want me to do the what I eat in a day, let me know. Alright? Thanks so much for tuning in. And I'll holla.